crustaceans rocking in their shells. Tight quarters with no utilities. Rent is free, they sink the possibilities. As they ponder their aquatic fate, not to become man-made bait. The band serenades their escape and hope to tour a new landscape. Yet a chef orchestrates a detour. A seafood platter's what's in store. Stealing comrades away in the boiling pot, they cannot stay. Crustacean crew, say no to pot.
Introducing, from within the confines of the Lusty Lobster restauranting, the Crustacean crew, featuring Dwayne the Rock Lobster, Rolling Stone Crab, singing their original hit single for the 2,907th time, Red Lobster Rhapsody.
Is this the ocean? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a fish tank, no escape from captivity. Open your claws, look at the glass and see. I'm just a lobster, I need no sympathy, because I'm market price, fine dining, rocking red in my shell. Anyway the water flows, no swim school for me, for me. Comrades, let's leave this tank. We'll plan our escape tonight to tour the open sea. Comrades, freedom's what we'll find to recover the vast ocean sea. Comrades, oh, guys, if we manage to escape, then we'll become rock lobster legends, and maybe we'll have a book written about our ocean-wide tour.
I can already picture a cookbook. From tank to sea. Lobster's culinary Odyssey.
Of mind.
But how can we escape without Chef Luigi getting shell-shocked?
Fear not, Chef Luigi leaves the Lusty Lobster at midnight when the restaurant closes.
Luigi the chef is a very quiet chef. He will boil you alive and suck you in enough just to win that perfect pie.
Full moon's in the sky, that means it's midnight.
Time for us to escape and tour the vast ocean.
Lost in the middle.
Crustacean crew, let's rock!
And roll.
As the Crustacean crew makes their escape, the next stop on the tour is the kitchen of the Lusty Lobster. Chef Luigi is startled by the decibel of the crab's claw.
Wah, wah, wah. What do we have here? An empty tank with no lobsters. Where are the two missing crustaceans on the kitchenary floor? Mamma mia! If anybody wasn't here to witness this event, my restaurant would have been shut down. Maybe if I cook up these pests in a gourmet manner, nobody would know anything about the incidents. Gonna catch them all! I need to catch these little pests to maintain our books. I'll catch them, season them with zest, and drizzle them with salt.
Chef Luigi forces the Crustacean crew to detour into a boiling pot of water.
Let us go, let us go. We don't want to be your gourmet dinner. Let us go, let us go. We say no to pie. me anyway. Wait, are we in the ocean?
Ah, yes, the burning heat of the sea.
It smells delicious. It's me. I need a bit of salt though.
We're not in the ocean. We're in a boiling pot of water.
Who?
You know how we can get out of here?
How?
We just beat it.
Say no to pot, don't steam us in here. Don't wanna die, these are tears of fear. The fire's in our eyes and the fire's outside. So be it. Just be it. Say no to pot, be a nice chef, man. Don't wanna die, don't boil us alive. Let's break this lid and escape this pot. So beat it. Just beat it.
The Crustacean crew said no to pot and beat their way out of the Detour. Now the destiny unfolds as they embark on a tour spanning the ocean-wide stage.
Every breath I take,
Every move I make.
every part we break, every take escape. We made it out of to the ocean with our sick jam.
No more deadly detour, no more closed housing. This is like a lobster paradise.
And the fresh ocean breeze.
I'm gonna go find the lobster in my life. See ya.
Are you just gonna leave me?
I'm in a bit of a pitch.
The falls in their aquatic space as another struggle, another chase. Plastic oceans of pollution fight, their crustacean hearts feel the plight. No longer being sold by the pound, plastic pollution is what they found.
Uh-oh,
What did we get ourselves tangled into this time?